education. And we have another student who will speak to us in English. Ishwar Naidu hails from Vishakhapatnam, and he was in the Anandashrama. In the year 2015, Swami beckoned Brother Madhusudan Nayak from Vishakhapatnam and asked him to start this orphanage where children from difficult backgrounds are embraced, taken in, and they are given education. And this little child, Ishwar Naidu, is a beneficiary, and this year he has joined our campus. Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram, offering our collective prayers to the Bhagwan's lotus feet, all my brothers, sisters, and elders, Sai Ram to all. First of all, I thank Swami for giving this great opportunity to talk in front of him. I am from Vizag. When I am going to Balvika's classes, some brothers came from Mudanhalli and shared their experiences with Swami. After listening to them, I thought I should study in Swami school. So I wrote exam in Bangalore, but I was not selected. I was so sad, and we just prayed to Swami for my seat. If we pray from our heart, Swami will definitely listen to it. In the second list, I was selected in Shivamogga campus. By this, I understood we can go near Swami with our pure hearts. I went to Shivamogga campus. Shivamogga campus is 2000 kilometers away from my home. But I never remember my parents or my home. Because in Swami school, Swami and others, elders, teachers, all look after us with lots of love and care. Our Guru Mata and our teachers look us like their own children. I was so happy. As I am from Andhra, my mother tongue is Telugu. I don't know about Kannada, but my friends, my brothers, and my teachers helped me to learn Kannada very quickly within 4 months. Swami, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಓದಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಲು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೀಡಿದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. In our home, I was very naughty and fighting with each other. When I entered into Swami school, Swami taught us how we should be with others, how we should help others, and how we should be with our brothers and others. So, I want to share one experience that happened recently. One of my brothers didn't have his bed. I had my bed and my carpet. So, I had given him my bed and I slept on my mat. I was so happy when I shared my bed with him. Like this, Swami want to teach us everything, how we should be with others, and we should be with helpful and all. We should be helpful with all. Swami, I learnt Veda, bhajans, and moral studies in your school. All these help us to become a good human and serve to the society. Swami provides us good food, big buildings, big schools, big hostels, everything. So we don't want anything because Swami given everything before we ask to him. Swami, we only want you, Swami. Please keep us always with you. I have only one prayer to ask you. Until my last breath, I want to serve in your institution, Swami. Please, you have to fulfill it. I offer all my words to the Swami's lotus feet and Jai Saram.